All right, thank you for tuning in, QUICKSHIFT Motorsports. Today we have a 2018 Superduke KTM 1290R. This thing is an absolute beast. Practically brand new. Do a little walk around here, and then we'll fire it up. Bike's got a lot of extras on it. As you can see, the case savers, frame sliders. It's got the swing arm spools, as well as the front fork protectors, single-sided swing arm. It's got an Austin Racing full exhaust. Not only does this bike have keyless start, but I think one of the coolest features on it is that this display during the daytime when you're outside will actually be white, and then inside or at dark or in the evening or whatever, it's gonna actually go black. So absolutely remarkable bike. ECU's been flashed by Austin Racing to go along with the full system. So here it is.